The first flight of India's light combat aircraft Technology Demonstrator 1, flown by Wing Commander Rajiv Kothiyal, took place on the 4th of January 2001. It was a red-letter day for India's aeronautical industry. The last fighter prototype, called HF-24 Marut, made indigenously, was flown way back in 1961. No fighter aircraft design and development was undertaken after Marut. The industry had only been undertaking licensed production of proven designs such as the MiG-21, MiG-27, Jaguar, HS-748, Dornier 228. Thus, the expertise, technical know-how and database needed to design and develop a state-of-the-art, software-intensive, quadruplex digital fly-by-wire aircraft with composite wings, glass cockpit and digital brakes was virtually non-existent. Aeronautical Development Agency and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited as the principal partner undertook to design and develop such a fighter aircraft while simultaneously setting up an entire system to do so. The LCA is a tailless, delta, single-seat, high-wing aircraft with longitudinally unstable aerodynamic configuration. It is powered by a GE F404 F2J3 engine. The weight of the aircraft with full internal fuel is about 9 tons. The aircraft is controlled by a digital flight control system with no analog or digital backup. This system operates elevons, rudder, slats and air brakes. The first prototype demonstrated certain core technologies such as the digital fly-by-wire flight control system, glass cockpit, digital brakes and microprocessor-based management of general systems. The second prototype is also scheduled to fly shortly. These two aircraft will basically demonstrate the core technologies while gradually opening up the flight envelope. The first block of flights involved a total of 12 sorties on LCA Technology Demonstrator 1. The aircraft covered the envelope of 8 kilometers altitude, a maximum speed of 612 kilometers per hour calibrated airspeed, 0.71 Mach with 2G turns and 18 degrees of angle of attack. Two 360-degree roll maneuvers, one to the left and one to the right, were done on the 12th flight to establish the kinematic effect of roll rate on the static pressure sources. The objectives of the first block of flights were ground handling and preliminary handling qualities assessment, air data calibration, parametric identification, in-flight loads, that is, strain monitoring at selected locations. The altitude of LCA was cross-checked with a calibrated Mirage 2000 trainer chase aircraft. Tower flyby is a classical and time-tested method of establishing pressure error corrections. This method was used to validate the anchor point data initially obtained from the Mirage chase for establishing pressure error correction in level accelerations. The tests were done in both gear up and gear down configurations. The flight tests were carried out in the year 2001 between 4th January and 2nd June. The weather was partly cloudy and temperatures averaged around 27 degrees Celsius. Winds were easterly up to the 4th flight and westerly thereafter. Wind speed was less than 15 knots. The aircraft systems generally functioned satisfactorily. Within the fixed gain envelope tested, the aircraft exhibited good flying qualities. The brake parachute was deployed to rapidly decelerate the aircraft. Wing Commander Kotial, how do you rate the flying in LCA?
I found the handling qualities of the LCA to be quite good in all phases of flight, during the takeoff, up and away, close formation, and during the approach and landing phase.
Since 1958, the Society has presented the Ivan C. Kinchlow Award in recognition of outstanding professional accomplishment in the conduct of flight testing. Sponsored by the Lockheed Martin Corporation, it was established in memory of Air Force test pilot and SETP member Ivan C. Kinchlow, and it honors exceptional contributions to an aerospace program as a test pilot. Tonight's awardee truly embodies the four tenets of the Society: courage, integrity, knowledge, and accomplishment, and has demonstrated throughout his career the ultimate vision of a test pilot, and that is to find the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of the 2001 Ivan C. Kinchlow Award is Wing Commander Rajiv Kotial, experimental test pilot for the Aeronautical Development Agency in Bangalore, India.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It was a very pleasant surprise. This is the first time that India has been represented in this forum, and I'm really honored to get this award. Thank you very much.